How to turn on or turn off system bold font on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and click on Font Size and Style. After click on font size and style, you will see bold font is here. If you want to turn on bold fonts, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see bold font is turned on. If you want to turn off bold fonts, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see bold font is turned off. You will turn on or turn off bold font from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off system board found on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.